Hello, this is Keith from Kinvert, and I guess I don't know what to say. I saw a weird thing and I want to try to duplicate it and mess around, see what it ends up doing. So I'm going to go into 123D Design, I'm going to make a box, and pick the box. Now I'm going to pick an edge. I'm going to pick this edge. And then you get this menu. This is normal. Now I expected to see fillet and chamfer, but I did not expect to see this, so I'm going to click it. And let's see. I'm going to zoom in. Alright, can I just grab the one edge and just move it? Is it going to do what I expect? Yep, that's about what I expected. Okay, what about if I do triangulate? It probably won't change much. Nope. Alright, but if I go back to here, what if I rotate this? If I rotate it this way, it shouldn't do anything, right? Correct. Alright, so now I'll get it back to 0. But what if I rotate this edge this way? Interesting. Alright, so we can actually rotate that edge itself. I did not, yeah, that's kind of cool. And then I bet I can rotate it this way too. Let's do it. And then I can move it down. Yeah, you can do all kinds of goofy stuff with that. So you can literally grab and rotate an edge. See how this face is still the same as it was? Oops, come on, nope. Do this. Rotate gently. There we go. So you can see that that face is also the same, but the rest of these got all twisted around. So if you pre-select a body, grab an edge, you can go to tweak, and you can start to drag it around and do weird stuff. So this is Keith from Kinvert. We tweaked an edge, I guess. Kind of interesting. If you ever find a use for it, let me know, because I'm kind of at a loss. I'm used to designing, mechanical things like, I helped with the Corvette C6 engine frame and window. I helped with the Corvette C6's engine cradle and window frame and stuff like that, tool and die. So I mostly did stuff that fits with other things. So I can't think at the top of my head of what I would do with it, but it's kind of interesting, right? Being able to tweak those edges and see what you make out of it. So anyway, hope that was helpful or interesting. Keith from Kinvert, and we will see you guys later. Bye-bye.